Hey, welcome back to the first video of our Create Like a Pro with Filmora 14 series, and today we're going to talk about cinematic look. Every creator, whether beginner or experienced, dreams of creating a cinematic video. Cinematic videos grab the audience's attention and helps a creator grow on social media, and today we'll show you how you can convert a normal-looking video into a cinematic movie look. To dive into the world of the cinematic, keep watching. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Filmora offers a wide range of tools to create a cinematic look, but today we're going to talk about manual color grading and effects in Filmora 14, and we will break it in a simple way to give a cinematic look to your video. This is the raw footage we are going to use for color grading. Place the footage onto the timeline. Then go to the Color tab in the Settings panel. Color. Under Color, you will get 4 options: Temperature, Tint, Vibrance, and Saturation. Temperature is used to set the foundation tone and mood of the video. Setting it towards blue color conveys a feeling of cold and tension, while yellow or orange conveys warmth. Adjust it according to the tone you want to set. The tint is used to add color to the entire footage. Then we have vibrance. Vibrance is used to increase the saturation of moderately or less saturated colors while preventing certain colors from becoming overly saturated. Adjust it accordingly. Then we have saturation. Saturation refers to the level of color purity and represents how vibrant a color appears. When you increase saturation, all colors in the photo become more vibrant. Adjust saturation accordingly. Light. Then there's the light section, which has exposure, brightness, contrast, highlight, shadow, white, and black. This section is used to adjust the light levels in your footage. Exposure is used to make your footage lighter or darker. If the footage is too dark, it's underexposed. If it's too light, it's overexposed. Adjust the exposure according to your footage. Brightness is used to control the amount of light that is present in the video. Adjusting the brightness level makes the footage brighter or darker. Contrast is used to enhance the visual image of a video, adjusting the contrast levels to make the footage more compelling, and to adjust the subject to create a sense of depth. It also improves video quality. Highlight is used to control the light or dark part of the footage. By adjusting the slider towards the right or the left, you can adjust the darker and lighter parts of the footage. The shadow slider allows you to control the lighting in your video by adjusting the dark areas. On the left side, it increases the depth and darkness of shadows, while on the right side, it gives you more details and range. Then, white is used to control the white levels in the footage, and black is used to control the black levels in the footage. HSL. HSL, hue, saturation, lightness, allows you to adjust the colors in a video by modifying the hue, saturation, and lightness of specific shades to enhance its visual appeal. Hue adjusts the color tone of individual shades, allowing for subtle shifts in color. Saturation lets you increase or decrease the intensity of specific colors while leaving others unchanged. Lightness enables you to brighten or darken specific colors. To use HSL effectively, identify the colors in your footage and make adjustments accordingly. Overall, HSL is a more straightforward and precise tool compared to other color models. Curves. Curves are used to adjust the highlights, midtones, and shadows in an image. In the Curves tool, you will find options labeled Y and RGB. The first point on the Y curve corresponds to highlights, and you can add a point here. The middle section of the curve represents midtones, where you can also add a point. Finally, the last point on the curve is dedicated to shadows. To adjust the Y curve, you can either manually manipulate the curve or use a color picker to select a color directly from your footage. Similarly, you can make adjustments to the RGB curves as needed. Color wheel. Additionally, you can utilize the color wheel to adjust the highlights, midtones, and shadows in your footage. Next, you can use the Effects tab to add different light effects. After you finish editing, here is the before and after of the footage. If you found this helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video.